Hi you guys, Miss Brown Sweetie back again. Today we'll be doing an updated brow routine and I'm going to be using IMV Kiss Brow Pomade in the shade, I think it was brown or maybe in chocolate. But I'm going to use that and it shows you on the back how you can create that natural brow or whatever, that dramatic brow, whatever you want to create. So basically what comes in there is some guides. If you don't know how to fill in your brows, you got some guides, but girl, I'm not going to use it because I don't need it. Then you got your double-ended spoolie with your angle brush to fill in them brows correctly. And I'm just showing you guys what it looks like in the inside. And it basically is like a smooth consistency, which is not my favorite. I rather the thicker kind, but I'm gonna start off using this and then you're gonna see me switch because girl, it was not working for me. So you're gonna take your spoolie and basically create your brow shape that you want, pushing those hairs up and reshaping that brow so that you can get that perfect brow, girl. So basically we're gonna take the double-ended spoolie, we're gonna take the angle portion of it and we're gonna dip it into the brow pomade and we're gonna go ahead and create that brow shape. So I'll let you guys keep watching as I fill her in. Okay, you guys, this is where I'm gonna switch to my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in chocolate because she does me better. This brow pomade was just too creamy and it just did not match my skin color, so I just had to switch to what I already knew, which is my Anastasia Beverly Hills, honey. Okay, you guys, this next step is vital. It's crucial that you do this, honey. You take that spoolie and you actually shade the opposite way, and basically it creates that gradient effect. I don't know if you've seen girls walk around and it's box shape. That's baby because they did not use that brush correctly. You got to use the brush and create that gradient effect in the beginning. That's how brows actually look in real life. Okay, you guys, we got one side done. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the second brow off camera. And greetings, earthlings. What do we have here? We got that unibrow going on, honey, but don't you worry, we gonna fix her. But girl, some of y'all girls be walking out looking like this for real. Anyways, we're gonna take our concealer LA Girls in Fun and we gonna clean her up, honey. We gonna get her looking real right, okay? Cause girl, we can't walk around like that. We just can't. So you gonna go ahead and take that in the color shade that matches your skin, honey. You don't have to use what I use, but whatever matches your skin, you gonna clean them brows up with it. girl, now as you can see, one side has been perfected. We're gonna fix that other side, and then we're gonna apply this. Y'all, when I tell you this top coat by IMV by Kiss is the bomb, it works, baby. It keeps up eyebrows in place, honey. When I say in place, like they don't go nowhere. So I'm gonna take this, and it comes out really juicy, shall I say. So you're gonna kind of wipe it off before you put it on, and then you're gonna take your spoolie and blend everything all the way in together. So you make sure them brows don't go nowhere, honey. When you sweating, they not moving. You wipe, they not moving, okay? And y'all, excuse the naps, honey. She just, girl, don't worry, she gonna get fixed, honey. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is that lash queen of them all, honey? It's me. You see them brows is intact, honey. They is put to place. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you thumbs this video up. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. Make sure you share this video with a friend, honey. And if you haven't already checked out Passion Pink, the link will be in the description bar below. Stay tuned.